Oh, dude, you're amazing. Look at that. That's amazing, bro. It's like it was never not there. Which one do you guys pick? Would you go for that one or that one? Or better yet, would you go with my Honda, which is not here, but let's just pretend my Honda was right here right now. It's a new day. What's going on, guys? Hopefully everybody's doing great, and this is another beautiful day that the Lord our God has sent. Today I'm actually at the body shop, and I came to drop off the headlights. I did mention in my last video that I did get new headlights and fog lights for the car, and so I'll do a sneak. I'll show it to you guys real quick. I'll show it to you guys real quick. So this is the, oh man, pull it out. So this is my headlights. I'm gonna bring them over here. So yeah, so I came to drop off the headlights for the car, and I also came to another reason why I'm here is so that I can pick out the color that I'm gonna be painting the car in. And so yeah, so that's what's gonna be happening today. But something amazing happened. I just pulled up, and he's got his Lamborghini over there. This is amazing, you guys. I had an opportunity to man, it's really loud back here. I had an opportunity to drive it the last time, but I said, you know what, you can give me a drive in it, and he did, and he's done so many changes to this car, you guys. It's amazing. So I'm gonna bring my headlights over there, and I'm gonna bring this up front. Pick it up. Oh, come on. You know what? I'm gonna haul it. It's in a box anyways. It's already ripped up, so it's okay. I'm gonna carry it. Because I'm feeling very strong today. This thing is falling apart. Look at that. It's literally falling apart. Okay. Here we go. I'm gonna put it right here. Actually, I'm gonna put it right here. Oh my goodness. How hard is it to carry a headlight? Jeez. Yeah, you guys, so my wife actually came with me so we can both pick out the color that we're gonna both like. It's not just about me, it's about her as well, because she's on the cute little bride. Right. Yeah, so okay, you guys, it's getting a little bit cold, so I'm gonna go over here and do a quick little vlog on this car, and so you guys can see it. I mean, it looks really, really amazing. Then I'm gonna head in and do the color, pick the color for the car, and drop out the fog lights. So yeah. Oh man, you guys, how beautiful is that? Wow, how beautiful is that? Check out the carbon fiber in this thing. Wow, how beautiful is that? That is amazing. That looks amazing. Wow. Check out the spoiler. Oh my goodness, look at that. Check out the carbon fiber in that thing. That is amazing. Wow. You guys have no idea how beautiful this car is in person. I mean, look at the diffuser down there. That stuff is like, wow. That's a beautiful car. That's a very beautiful car. Let's do it from this side. Oh man. Let's check out this side. That is beautiful, you guys. That is beautiful. You got the GT here as well. This is nice. This is really nice. I don't know. Which one do you guys pick? Would you go for that one or that one? Or better yet, would you go with my Honda, which is not here, but let's just pretend my Honda was right here right now. Which one do you guys pick? I know which one I would pick. That one for sure. But maybe one day. That can be yours one day if you guys just dream big, okay? Dream big. It's possible. It's possible. I know this guy for years, and he just bought this like this year actually, and just really enjoying his life. Hard work does pay off. That's a beautiful car. Man, look at the diffuser on that thing. That is amazing. That is beautiful. But this is my favorite. That's a beauty right there. That's a beauty right there. Look at this. Oh, wow. I wish I had some more room so I can really show it to you guys. Some more space, rather. I mean, that's beautiful. I'll show you guys the car really quick. There she is, sitting right there. Oh man, it's looking amazing. You guys, once this is done, oh, tell you how amazing this guy is. Look, he already fixed this. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. He already fixed it. This guy's amazing. Look at that. Gap is gone. He fixed it, you guys. This is amazing. Check out the other side. Oh. Dude, you're amazing. Look at that. That's amazing. Bro. It's like it was never not there.
These are all Hondas.
Okay, so these are all Honda colors, you guys. So wait, hold on, let's do this quickly. Okay, so this is the red.
So put your finger here so it doesn't.
Okay, hold on.
You can choose whichever.
Okay. So I got the colors here, you guys. Look on my Han. Come over for a second. I get my wife to come over, so we gotta do this together. Okay. Okay, so these are the colors. These are all Honda colors. It says so. Oh, this is the one. What do you think about this one?
It's light.
Huh?
It's red.
That's not light, is it? Okay. Actually, yeah, that's really light, but let's see. Okay, so not that one. That one's not bad. Let's go through. Oh, okay, so here's some other. These are like red. Okay, which we're not. I think it's more like this red, which I don't like that one. Oh, that's a Honda color? No?
Does it have to be a Honda color?
Yeah. I don't know. Actually, let me see. This is not bad. Huh?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah, this is not bad at all.
Put it up against the thing.
Put up in the light and see. Come over here. Yeah, come. Actually, that's dark. That's really dark. Yeah.
But no,
Okay. You want to hold it and go through it? Okay, so we see those ones. Okay, so rule them out. So this one, no. Right? And these, no, not at all. These two, no. Right? Okay, so that, no. No. This is good. And then let's see what's over there. And those are like red, darker red. What's the last one?
I like this one.
You like that one? Huh? You like that one? What about, okay, so hold that one. Let's go back to, okay, hold that one. Let's go back to this. Which one was it? It's close to the, what was the other one?
The lighter one?
Anyways, guys, this is gonna take a little bit longer than we anticipated, so we're probably just gonna go ahead and end the video right here. So anyways, so you guys are definitely gonna see the car, and whatever color we pick, it's gonna be red, but it's the shade of red that we're trying to pick right now. But either way, you guys are gonna see that. You guys are gonna love it. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. As always, you guys know what to do. Go out, love one another, get to know God, trust Him, and live. Peace. Okay.